so before I sleep, I make sure that I have Isabel's box ready for tomorrow. I got this idea from Morning Basket. Like, people will have Morning Basket with stuff for their kids' schooling, homeschooling and stuff. We don't really do any specific homeschooling, but I like to have her supplies, art supplies, chalk, like stuff that I can easily set up for her in case she gets bored being with me. Because what I do is I just go with her throughout the day, doing stuff that I do, cleaning, going outside to play, fresh air. But also I look at her cues, like she's getting bored, she needs to go outside, she needs to have a playtime and all that. So this box helps me because I am not too organized. This box helps me to have some kind of organized mess. So in there I have her fine motor skills stuff, art, paint, whatever, that it's easy to set up and then watch her from afar. So yeah, I do that every evening before I sleep. Sometimes we don't even use it because she will do other stuff. But yeah, it's always good to have a plan for a 3-year-old. I don't know, but right now at this age for Isabel, if I don't plan the night before, it's disaster. So I'm signing out to you all. Good night. I'm going to be with my hubby right now. I look terrible. Yeah, it's that time of the day where you feel like you can't go anymore. But it's almost over and it's sweet memories. Anyway, Chris is making dinner. He decided to make dinner all of a sudden. Probably because he's like, oh, does she do that? So yeah, that's a nice part about him being home, because it's like he's having a full view of what takes place when he's not home. Anyway, so yeah, it's getting dark. I think it's 6:40. Yeah, the last time I checked the time. Yeah, so 10 plus minus 10 minutes after that. Yeah. Am I making any sense? I'm tired. I'm having a smoothie. I have mixed berries, greens, protein powder. Yeah, nutritional yeast. That's it. And it's like, I look terrible. I should go take a shower before we put Isabel down. So I woke up with some sinus and I'm going to just drink this turmeric tea to help. I think it's the pollen or whatever is in the air. So I'm going to drink this turmeric tea. In here I have turmeric, ginger grated, fresh turmeric, fresh ginger grated, and then I boiled it, just one boil. Don't let it boil for too long, because you don't want to destroy the properties. And then I have lemon. That is just the juice lemon. I have the juice here, so you don't want to boil the lemon juice. You just want to juice it and then throw the skin in there, and then you can sieve this, or you can drink it like that if you don't mind. But you can, if you feel like it's too much chaff, you can just sieve it. So what I'm going to do, oh, I forgot, add some black pepper or cayenne to help with the turmeric, and it will also help with the sinuses as well. This is good for flu, cold symptoms as well. So I'm going to add local honey. Just remember that local honey is best. If you are going to use honey for anything, your local one is best. Don't be sitting at your home importing honey. The local one is the best. So stand in that corner and kneel down. You don't have to turn all over center. You can go ahead and run. Are you taking the screen as well? Like she's in class. That's okay.
Yeah.
Let me see which one of my ballerinas can get in first position the quickest. Heels together. Toes out. Ears over your hips. Let me see. First position. Yes, Emily. Yes. I know you're very sad, but we can't see that right now, okay?
No.
Okay.
No. Yucky.
Yeah, it's yucky outside.
No, yucky outside.
Oh. Do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
It's rice.
Rice? Okay, let's go get some rice.
Okay.
I want to call my friend. She's not picking. Okay, let's go eat some rice. Mommy's going to call her friend, okay?
Okay, it's coming.
Yeah. You want to see my friend?
Yeah. Mommy, fix the washing business. Mommy, fix the washing business. Aye, aye. Aye, aye. Uh-oh, aye, aye. Come here, back.
There she is.
Seriously. Mommy, fix it.
Yeah, Mommy fixed the camera.
Camera.
What do
No,
you want
no, Mama.
to... Look, Adeline is sitting.
I want to go aye, aye.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Adeline, but not now.
Come on. I want to go aye, aye. I want to go aye,
We can't go now.
aye.
Are you mad?
No.
Okay, you can hit Mommy. It hurts.
No,
It
no, no, no.
hurts.
No, no.
Easy. Easy.
I'm pushing. I'm pushing Daddy, Mama.
Do you want to hurt your brother?
Yes, please.
Judah is so scared. Judah is scared too. You're going to bump in his face. Don't be laughing. She's gonna hurt you. Don't be laughing. 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 One more time. Like your art, that's so pretty. Is that the sun?
Yes.
Oh.
It's so good. It is so the waves. This is a sun.
Sun, okay.
And the waves.
And is that I for Isabel?
Yes. This is red.
Oh.
It's red.
Can we do I together?
Yes, please.
I for Isabel.
This.
Small I for Isabel.
I just see more.
Stay safe, honey. Come back quick. I said don't be long. Daddy will be right back.
It's so fast.
Yeah, he's really fast.
That's going.
Mm-hmm.
I want to join this one.
You want to drive that one?
Yes. Can you open the door, please?
Where do you want to go?
Go in the store.
You want to go to the store? Why don't we wait for Daddy? And then we can play inside. We can't go to the store now.
I want to join this one.
But can you drive?
This one.
Can you drive?
Yes.
Where's your driver's license?
Over there.
You can drive a car?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Isabel can drive?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna get the car keys, okay? And then you drive to the store.
Nice store.
Isabel drive a car?
Yeah. The store.
Is it you want me to use peanut butter? Okay. You got it? Good job.
This will be the B.
Yeah.
This I.
Mm-hmm.
The D.
I love you too, Isabel.
And the people see you, and the people in the paper. I see you. People. I go in the rolling. When that is peekaboo. 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 And I see you.
Isabel, hurry. Isabel, hurry. Hurry. You don't like the job? Isabel, hurry, 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 hurry. Re. Isabel, tofum.
I wish so.
Isabel, what's up?
No.
What happened?
It hurts.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Bit me also. Isabel, what's up?
I totally hurt your ID.
So what?
No.
You don't want to whistle? Okay.
It's okay.